Hey there.
Hi, it's Jeff and Mary, and today we moved several steps closer to being able to get this boat in the water thanks to my wife's incredible work today. So let me show you all the stuff that we got done. Test it out.
Huh?
Test it out, it's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, just kneel down somewhere.
Let's see. Oh yeah. That feels good.
So after doing incredible work to bottom paint the boat, as well as spray paint both outdrives, Mary's getting her new knee pads back on because we're going to start the summerization process of the engines by putting back the drain plugs to start with and hooking up some hoses. All right, so I'm going to have you crawl down in there.
Okay.
So there's Mary trying to put one of the plugs back in underneath the port side engine
Doing it
by feel only.
one-handed. You can't see it. It's like you gotta get exactly the right angle.
That's what that looks like.
No progress.
Oh. Oh. So what are we doing, Mary?
I found the drain plug on the side of the engine block, and I found the ones in the rear of the manifolds.
To put them back in. Yes. So we're remembering this position for next year.
This is the position for
The starboard.
the drain plugs on the outside.
Under
For the manifolds, I need to go up over.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, hopefully, I'll remember this for next time.
It'll be in the video. All right. Now we just have to hook up the 14 hoses.
Here we go.
All right. So we, Mary,
Yes.
we put all 8 plugs, drain plugs back in, and now we've reattached all the hoses to the engine. Thermostat, fuel line, your favorite down there, what's that one called? The bottom.
The impeller?
Yeah.
The bracket for the...
Well, the bracket and the impeller hoses.
The impeller hoses down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I loved doing the bottom paint. That was a fun job. I feel like I'm competent in that. I'm not so excited about the engine room and hooking up the hoses.
Right.
That's tough.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Bottom paint was very satisfying.
very satisfying.
Hope you enjoyed this episode of Eternity Shore. And again, appreciate your comments. And we're hoping to be on the water in just a couple weeks. Hope you are on the water already or are getting ready to get on the water. See you again soon.
All right. Ciao.
Ciao.